Hi everyone, welcome back. Today we're introducing fuel injector cleaning and testing. Here we have the latest ANCEL fuel injector machines. These machines are designed for cleaning and testing vehicle fuel injectors. The 400 model supports 4-cylinder engines, the 600 supports 6-cylinder engines. M models are for motorcycle injectors, GDI supports gasoline direct injection injectors, and Piezo models handle piezoelectric injectors. Next, we'll demonstrate using the ANJ600 GDI plus Piezo. First, select the appropriate adapter for the top supply injector from the coupler box and fit a suitable O-ring onto it. Apply a small amount of lubricating fuel to the O-ring before installation. Top supply injector adapters come in 4 types: thread sealing, coarse and fine threads, and O-ring sealing, large hole and small hole. If the injector can't be secured because the adapter hole is larger than the injector, use the auxiliary support. Finally, adjust the relative positions of the knurled nut and the adjustable screw to make sure the injector is firmly fixed on the unit.